Yo, what is up guys, it's the Quiet Kid and I'm going to be showing you how to make a clicking simulator part 3. So first you want to add a screen GUI and add a text label. You don't need to name the text label anything, but for this tutorial I'll just be keeping it as like the text label because it's gonna show differently once we head into the game. I'll just customize it. And then I will add a local script into this text label. Copy the script, change coins to money, because obviously in the leaderstats it is money. See, look, if we go into the game right now, the label's not going to change. See, it says money and rebirths. So we'll go back into local script and just copy this, paste into here, paste into here, and paste into here. And so over here. Now if we go into the game, if we start the game, it's going to say money 0. When we click, it's going to go up and up and up. Oh wait, where's my auto clicker? I need my auto clicker. Now, this is just a tutorial. You can make the clicks. You can change what it says and stuff. Be sure to like and subscribe, or this dude will come at you at night. Bye.